Hello and welcome to Dishing Delights. My name is Jenica and today I'm going to share with you two separate grocery hauls. One is from Walmart and one is from Azure Standard. For my Walmart haul, I spent $101 and I started off by grabbing some of these Bumblebee snacks on the run. I like to keep these stocked. We tried the buffalo chicken one and it was so good. We decided to try some different ones. This is the Salmon Salad Kit, the Chipotle Tuna Salad Kit, and the Chicken Salad Kit. This one is a 3-pack and the other two I got 2 each. I also grabbed 2 cans of these pineapple slices, a jar of this spicy chili crisp. I've seen this requested in a lot of Asian dishes, so I want to try it out. I got 2 of the hot green diced chilies. I grabbed this 3-ounce container of onion powder. This was only $1 and I plan to order a bigger package of this from Azure next month. I grabbed some garlic pepper crispy onions. I also grabbed, I think this is a 3-pound bag of onions. These are just the sweet onions. A 10-pound bag of potatoes. I also grabbed this box of instant mashed potatoes. These are great to have on hand in a pinch. I have some Country Time lemonade and Kool-Aid. I actually grabbed these from a local store. They were $2.99 on sale and my husband really likes to have things like this around. So I grabbed those while I was in there earlier. So this is not included in the Walmart haul. I have these stir-fry rice noodles. 2 packages of these wide egg noodles, 1 package of the Chinese style lo mein noodles. I grabbed this yellow rice for a shelf-stable pantry meals video. I also grabbed 2 boxes of Jiffy cornbread mix, 2 bunches of bananas, a big ol' container of sour cream, and some cilantro. I want to make some salsa. I grabbed some burger buns for dinner this week, 1 small head of green cabbage, and then for my cheese, I didn't order any cheese from Azure Standard this month, so I grabbed some queso fresco, some Swiss cheese. My husband loves to snack on Swiss cheese. It's just not my favorite. And then this 2 pounds of extra sharp cheddar cheese. This is one of our favorites. I also grabbed this 6-pack of mild guacamole, 2 bars of cream cheese. These are nice to have on hand. 2 pounds of ground chicken for tacos or something this week. Some wonton wrappers and some egg rolls. These are really nice to actually just toss leftovers in and then fry them in the air fryer, and we have not had them for a while. So this was $101 of goodies, and I will show you what I grabbed from Azure Standard. In case you are new here, Azure Standard is a co-op that, to quote their website, is a natural health food distributor bringing bulk and specialty health foods to communities all across the nation. They believe that everyone should have access to high-quality, organic, non-GMO foods to live a long, strong, and meaningful life. Basically, they're a bulk food distributor that sells any and everything. And once a month, you can put in an order online, and the next week, a truck comes to a designated area, and you all chip in and get all of the goodies out of the truck and into your vehicles. We meet in a church parking lot, and I would say there's about 40 families in our drop, but each drop location varies in size and location. So check out their website to see if there's a drop next to you if you would like to check that out. I'll even share a discount code and information down below in my description box. This is not sponsored, but I do have a discount code, and let's check out what I grabbed this month. And for September's Azure order, I ended up spending $182.38. It actually was $183.86, but I had some Azure cash to use. Now I put in a very small order again this month. I grabbed a box of this Jade Pearl Rice Ramen. This is a 10-pack box. I grabbed some Santa Cruz lime juice and some lemon juice. This is just the 16-ounce containers. I want to try this out. I think next time I'm going to order a box of each. Probably not in the next few months, but probably early next spring. I have a 5-pound bag of black beans. I'm going to start stocking up on my black beans soon. I have 50 pounds of pinto beans and kidney beans right now, so I want to get a stockpile of black beans. I also want to try the Wild Blend rice. This was on sale this month, and if we enjoy this, I want to order it in a much bigger bag. This is just a 1-pound bag. I also ordered some tahini. I'm going to use this for some hummus. I'm going to try the coconut aminos. I used to not like it, but I want to just check it out, see if I like it now. My taste buds have changed a lot. I grabbed a 10-pound bag of dark rye flour. I love rye bread, so I want to try this out. I did this instead of a 10-pound bag of all-purpose flour this month because I still have a full bag in the freezer. I also grabbed 32-ounce glass containers of the avocado oil and the extra virgin olive oil. Right here I grabbed 1 pound of coconut milk powder. I figured this would be great to have on hand, especially in the winter during curry season. I also grabbed this cheddar cheese powder. A lot of you said that you really love this, so I grabbed a pound of this to try it out. I think this was $23, maybe closer to $24. I also grabbed some miso. As you can see, I've been buying a lot more Asian inspired ingredients so we can make more Asian inspired dishes. And then I got this 5-pound bag of buttermilk powder. I'm going to use this in baking, for our fish fries, all sorts of things. So I think this is the smallest container I could get this in, so I just went for it. As you can see, I stocked up on a lot of my powdered milks because we are getting ready for the winter season. So that is my super small Azure standard haul. I'm pretty happy with everything I got, and I will let you know how we like all of our items as the following few months go on. And that is it for September's grocery haul. Altogether, I spent $285. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.